Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, we are on episode 2 of the Maggie Holmes Willow Lane inspired embellishments. Today's episode, we are going to be working on the crepe paper fringe embellishments that she has in the Willow Lane collection. You guys are super cute. They go for like $3.50, but I decided to create my own, my way, and this is what they look like. I don't have the other ones to compare because I don't have the collection as of yet, but you guys know that I'm already recreating some of the embellishments in her collection. I did do the threaded bows. This is my previous video. If you guys haven't checked this one out, check out my previous video. These are super fun and easy to make, but these are the ones that I wanted to show you guys. Here's the thing. The only thing I can't show you guys is how I sew it. So I'm going to give you guys an idea and staple it and show you guys how it would be like sewn, because if I put my sewing machine right here, you guys are still not going to be able to see what I did or what I'm doing. But I wanted to show you guys what they look like. I did 4 different colors. She offers pink, purple, and like a teal blue and a sky blue, but I didn't have the colors that she has in the collection, so I used what I had in my stash. I of course decorated the packaging, and you guys, they turned out so cute. I'm gonna actually open one up and show you guys what they look like and how I package them. I just used some little foam dots to hold it together, but this is what it looks like, and it's like this cute little, like a little fringe skirt, and it's sewn, and then you can like add this to your projects. I don't know what I think the other ones have adhesive, so I'm assuming hers are thinner and they have like an adhesive tape on the back, but I don't have any adhesive on mine. But this is what it looks like, and you guys, they turned out so cute, and they're all sewn. So I packaged it up this way so that to whoever I send, they can use any way they'd like. Now I want to show you guys how I made these. Of course, you're gonna need your choice of crepe paper shade that you want. You're gonna take out about a decent amount, maybe like around that much. And you're gonna cut that off. What you're gonna do is, I like my fringes to be, see how thick they are? So I made them kind of thick, so I folded the paper in half and then I folded it again. And then that's what you get. So you have like about 4 layers there. Then what you wanna do is you wanna start pleating your crepe paper. Make sure it stays nice and straight. And continue to pleat, almost like making a rosette, but you're not holding it in the center. You're just doing like it's straight across. And then you pleat it. So since I'm not using my sewing machine right now, but you would sew this together, I'm gonna staple this one so you guys can see how it starts holding together. And then you continue across. You just make sure it stays nice and straight. And this is a little smaller than the ones that I made, but I just want to give you guys the idea. This is going to be a super fast video because it's really self-explanatory, but picture that being your little sewn line, and then you can make it as big as you want. But look how easy, you guys. And it's thicker, it's better. You can trim off anything extra. I did do a lot of trimming on mine. And then like on the top, just to make like a nice little straight line. And ta-da! So you would just sew it across with your sewing machine. And look how easy, you guys. These are super fun to make. And you guys should definitely try it out, because you will be saving, I think you get 4 of them for about $3.49. But you get a whole roll, you can make a bunch of these. So yeah, you guys, that's this super quick, easy video. I hope you guys enjoyed and create some of these Maggie Holmes Willow Lane inspired embellishments. And yes, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Check out my giveaway challenge, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.